On to the other big news of the day. Well, the adage justice delayed is justice denied seems not to apply to this case. There are two individuals who are awaiting justice for more than 8 years now, and the future does not look bright. The system has failed Valinda Joseph and Eugene St. Romain. Alicia Ali has been keenly following one of what is considered to be the biggest travesties in St. Lucian history. Alicia, can you fill us in on the recent developments?
Well, Lisa, on Wednesday, the constitutional motion filed by Martinez Forswar to dismiss the capital murder case against Eugene St. Romain was thrown out of court by Justice Francis Bell. The only positive thing which seemed to come out of today was that after 8 years on remand, Eugene St. Romain was granted bail in the sum of $60,000 cash or suitable surety. Forswar indicated he was dissatisfied with the judgment and he is exploring an appeal.
And one of the things we were asking was for the state to provide him being an expert at the state's expense, and the judge agreed with that, and they granted him bail, and referred the matter back to the High Court for trial, basically that's what it is. But as I said, I'm not read the judgment. I'm very minded to appeal that decision. I'm not satisfied with it.
Lisa, one of the things we are yet to appreciate is that Eugene St. Romain's family has been on a roller coaster ride because both the victim and accused are relatives. St. Romain is Valinda Joseph's father. Gilda Xavier is St. Romain's sister and Valinda's aunt.
I think I heard something about he should be bailed. Can that really happen in St. Lucia after 8 years, somebody on remand? Now you're talking about bail and the case has to go to the High Court? Well, I was expecting something different. The case is stagnant for too long, so I was expecting to hear it is going somewhere. It's going somewhere. Not back to trial after 8 years. We have been down that road already. For all those years, we have been down that road.
But Alicia, can you give us some background to this constitutional matter?
Sure. Eugene St. Romain was arrested and charged on April 24, 2004 for the brutal rape and murder of his 13-year-old daughter Valinda. The incident occurred on December 2, 2002, after a preliminary hearing commencing in June 2004 and that lasted for 2 years and 1 month. St. Romain was committed for trial in the High Court in 2007. In 2009, Martinez Forswar filed a constitutional motion to have the case dismissed on the grounds that St. Romain had been on remand for almost 6 years. Forswar withdrew the case after the AG's chambers agreed to have the case tried in 2010. Senior counsel Marcus Foster stepped in at this time for the criminal matter. There were delays in 2010, which we will discuss in subsequent newscasts, which resulted in Foster being booted from the criminal matter and Forswar appointed as criminal attorney as the new trial date was now January 24th, 2011. On that day, Forswar announced to the court that he had filed another constitutional motion before the civil court. As such, the trial could not go forth. And today, Wednesday, the judge returned judgment in the constitutional case. With Forswar indicating that he is minded to appeal the judge's ruling, there is no telling when the case will go to trial or whether the case will ever be dismissed in the near future. Lisa?
CTV's Alicia Ali there with that report.